2.2.3 Slope Word Problems. Essential question. How do I find the rate of change given a real-life scenario? Skill. I could find slope. Tim is walking at the park. 3 laps, which is 3/2 of a mile, took 20 minutes. He then walked 2 more laps for 10 minutes. What is the average miles per hour Tim walked at the park? Well, when looking at this, it says average miles per hour. So miles would be Y and hours will be X. But we don't have those here. We have laps and we have minutes. So you want to convert laps to miles and then convert minutes to hours. So let's find some things. 1 lap is going to equal some amount of miles. And we know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. We don't know what 1 lap is, but we do know that 3 laps is 3/2 of a mile. So to find how many is 1 lap, you would just divide each of these by 3. So 1 lap would be 1/2 a mile. And then we would need to know how many 2 laps is. 2 laps would equal 1 mile. Because 1/2 plus 1/2 would be 1 whole. To find the average miles per hour, we want to find the slope, the change in Y over the change in X. So the Y is going to be the change in miles, and the change in X is going to be the change in time in hours. So 3 laps is 3/2 of a mile. And that took 20 minutes, which was 20 out of 60. Because there's 20 minutes, or there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. And then it was 2 laps, which is 1 mile, also known as 2 over 2. It was 10 minutes, so 10 over 60. Okay, let's start reducing this. We have 1/2 over 10 over 60. Well, 10 over 60 is the same thing as 1 over 6. Okay, we can rewrite this as 1/2 divided by 1 over 6. And then that is the same thing as 1/2 times 6 over 1. Okay, 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 3 miles per hour. Alright, try the other questions on your own.